Oh, that was wild, dude. We got one?
Oh, oh, instant bite. Oh my God, I got one. As soon as the fucking lure touched the water. Oh my God.
Fuck, man.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Where are you? Right there. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go, big boy. Let's go, big boy.
The big one?
No. Right here. Put the net in the water. Put the net in the water. And bring him towards you. Bring him towards you. There you go. Easy there.
Got the... Oh, damn.
He snapped off. Oh, got him, got him, got him, got him. Man, my hands are wet, so I'm slipping off the reel. Yep. Oh, oh, he's peeling drag. Let's go. Ooh.
I was thinking yesterday too, I'm like, should I get another spook? I'm like, nah, I won't even need one.
Ooh. It's peeling.
You got him?
Yeah. Over here on this side. It's right here. You see him?
Yeah.
He's right there.
Come on, big boy.
All right, put the net in the water. Put the net in the water. Let's go. Let's go.
Fighting, huh?
Yeah, he's fighting it. Oh. Got him.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that's my fucking fish. Got it?
Yeah. Let me string this guy up. Let's go, bro. You gotta catch some fish, man. You gotta cast out there. Cast right next to mine. I'll cast right next to yours. There we go. Yep. Oh, right there. Got him. Got him. Oh my God, that's a jumper. Let's go. Let's go. Fish on. Oh.
It's going to a fucking stinker, huh?
Man, Steve is missing out, man.
No, I mean the stinker.
Oh. Oh. Ooh, 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 buddy.
Come on, dickhead.
Nice.
Another one?
Yep.
Got him. We got a line out?
Oh, got it. Wow. That was instant.
We got it?
Yep. Oh, let's go.
Still got it?
Yep. Still got it. He's coming up right here. He's coming up right here. Yep. Got you. Got you. Get the net. Put the net in the water. Put the net in the water. Always have the net in the water. Oh. Oh.
Come on.
I'll bring him to you. I'll bring him to you. There you go. Ooh, easy.
Oh, I see the bottom next.
Easy fish. All right. Yeah, try to detangle that.
Hold it with your other hand.
Got you.
Oh, fucking. They got caught in the actual net.
Hey. Caught another one. Oh, that's that Topwater. Here, do this, look. Check it out. Keep it like this, point it down, tighten the drag, and look at mine. You see mine right here? So what the idea is like this. Oh, there it is. Oh, boy. Damn, I'm over here showing you how to fish and yeah, give it a little jerk and he'll move side to side.
Yeah.
Oh, got it. Yep, got him. Yep. Oh, he's feeling drag. Yep. There he is. There he is. Oh my god, my rod broke. No way. Oh my god, he snapped my rod.
You want your hooks? What do you need?
Dang. Dang. Okay.
Yeah, that sucks though.
That's all right.
It's about the experience, huh?
It's the experience, man. All right. The Topwater is where it's at, man.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, right now.
Problem is that the time I don't have tension, I could be getting dived by that.
Oh, got another. Yep. Where'd he go? Do I got him? Yep, I got him. Let's go. Where are you going? Where are you going? Let's tighten this up a little bit. Oh. There we go. Snap my rod. Grab the net. Grab the net. You got it. Right here, right here. Get on, get on. Yep, nice.
I didn't get it in, but what I did. Cut the hooks on the side. Hold that boy good.
Oh, come on. Ooh, easy.
You want the pliers?
No, it's because it's stuck to the net.
Okay.
But there we go. Got another one on the Topwater. Ooh, oh yeah. Can I get the pliers?
Just in case, you know.
Definitely one of my
Best days?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was just telling him. I was like, this is like one of the best days that I've had fishing for the stripers. Oh, right there. Right there.
Personal best. My personal most.
Yeah, personal most. That's a good one, bro. Yeah, personal most. Oh, let's go. Oh, ooh. There we go. Come on. Come on.
Now I'm gonna be bummed if you don't come out fishing the day that I do and I don't catch shit. I'm like, fuck, dude, the guy with all my good luck.
Oh, let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Let's bring you over here. Fighting. Oh, let's go, buddy. Let's go.
Snap it again.
No, oh, jumping. He's a jumper. Damn. Let's go. Come on. Give me another one. Oh. Oh, right there. Oh, almost. Oh, got him. Got him. Oh, he let go. Reel it in. Reel it in. You got one of it? Oh. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me get the net. Just bring him over here. Turn. Turn. Yep. Yep. Lift it. Hey.
That's a good boy. Go.
If I don't like hold it for a second, then